Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can enable fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open WhatsApp application on your device. Here at the home page of WhatsApp, you need to tap on three dotted vertical line on top right corner. There you need to tap on settings option. Inside settings, you need to tap an account. Here, inside account section, you need to tap in privacy and very first. Inside privacy, you scroll to the very end. There you can see the option of fingerprint lock. You tap on it. Unlock with fingerprint. Here you need to tap on the toggle to the right side to get it on. So you tap on it. When enabled, you will need to use fingerprint to open WhatsApp. You also can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. Now here you need to confirm your fingerprint by putting your finger on the sensor. Once you do this, to open the WhatsApp, you need to have your fingerprint. Now here you can see three options of automatically lock. That is immediately, after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. If you tap on immediately, then you need to have your fingerprint immediately right after you open your WhatsApp. If you tap on after 1 minute, then you need a fingerprint after a 1 minute if you close the WhatsApp, and similarly in after 30 minutes you need to have your fingerprint after 30 minutes after you close your WhatsApp. So here I'm going to tap on immediately. That means you need to have your fingerprint right after you open your WhatsApp. Now the fingerprint has been enabled in your WhatsApp. Now to check it whether the fingerprint does work or not, so you close the WhatsApp, then you open WhatsApp. There you can see you need to have your fingerprint. Then WhatsApp will be open. This is how you can enable WhatsApp fingerprint lock. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can enable fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. Thank you.